under your wife's gown. Now, there is a condition before you do that. Ano yun? You have to sexy dance your way to your wife first before going on your knees and look for that very elusive partner. Okay? So, ready now? Mas malayo pa? Mas malayo pa. Okay, Nick, again, you have to sexy dance your way towards your wife. Okay, ready now? Music, please! You know what? Sing it lower! Come on! Ayan naman talaga. Ba't mukhang dugi yan? Wait, sandali. Sandali lang din. Wait, Nami, alam mo, this is a family affair and as you can see, there are kids around now. Just to be sure you're going to pull out the right item. You have to be sure, okay? Why don't you go under your wife's gown? Just to see for yourself that you're going to pull out the right item. So you have to go under. Okay, so go. Come on. Go under. You have to go under. Come on. Yo. Okay. Yan. Okay, so Nick. Okay. Please be reminded that we're still here. Okay. So, Nick, is it the right thing? Is it? Yata. Okay. So, can you show it to us? Come on. Tama. Okay. Can you show it to everyone? Twirl it around your finger. Okay. Now, actually,